The level of noise in Metro Vancouver is certainly getting worse every year, because first of all, there's ever more machinery, noise-emitting machinery and gadgets on the market, and people to use them, and the population continues to grow, so that two factors combined make for more noise. The main effect of noise on human health is, of course, first of all, the most obvious one, that you get your hearing impaired from exposure to noise over longer periods of time. But there are also other effects, so-called non-auditory effects, which are affecting us by noise creating stress in the body. The body releases stress hormones in reaction to the noise, and these stress hormones in turn cause illnesses in the body over longer periods of time. We could combat noise in different ways. First of all, of course, through education, to educate people about the danger of noise. And secondly, through legislation as well, to have rules and regulations set up that would train people to be more considerate and make less noise. There's a lot of things that an individual could do by making less noise, which can be avoided. For instance, boom cars, deliberately altered mufflers on motor vehicles would be one example of totally unnecessary noise that can be avoided, and other types of noise that are merely a byproduct of other desirable tasks could be minimized if we were willing to do it.